Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you a supply and demand strategy for intermediate traders and pros. So in the previous videos for beginners, this one is for intermediate. In this strategy you will see why sometimes you get stopped out and price goes to your direction. So follow for more and like.
So the first thing you do now is you identify the trend. So you can see our trend price is going down. So since we know that price is going down, the next thing you do is to identify the highest point price has reached. This is the highest point here, and the lowest point. This is the lowest point here. This is it here. So now this is the highest point, this is the lowest point. So this is now your area. So all you are waiting for is to target the low. This low, the lowest point, is your target. So all you are doing now is from 4 hour, you know you are selling because the trend is selling. So all you need to do is you go to lower time frame, or the 1 hour or the 15 minute, then look for signs of price attempting to go down. Once you see the structure on the smaller time frame showing you where price is going, that is where you target. So that lower part is now your liquidity. That is what your liquidity. That is a draw on price. That is where price is going to. Now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So now this is the 1 hour time frame. What do you notice? This was the high we marked, and this was the high we said will be liquidity along the way. So price will come here, take this high here, and before attacking this low. So now coming to the 1 hour time frame, now what do we see? We notice that price came above this high, swept this high down to this long last green candle, which is a very big supply zone. So price came, swept this high here, which is liquidity, and this forced price to break down. So immediately you see price breaking this low here. Immediately price break this low here, we now know that price is making what? A down turn. So this is what we call a change of structure. This is a change of structure. So what next? Since price has broken here, now what do you observe? You see, immediately price break here, it retraced to this imbalance. There are some imbalance here. So what happened? Instead of price to come down here and take this lows here, price did not. So immediately you see price refusing to come and take this low. What it means, it wants to go further and grab more order. So this high now becomes what we call liquidity, and price came here, took this high here, attempted coming down, it still did not. So at this point, whatever is happening here should not deceive you that price is making a turn to the upside. No, you have to notice that this is the highest point price reached before it broke down here. So within this point, this high and this low, anything that is happening here is just generating liquidity. So now what happened? We expect price to come here, take this high again to now this supply zone. That is when we are going to start looking for ourselves. So this supply zone here, you can mark it here. So you can see immediately price reach this zone. This is where you can look to sell. Once price reach here, put your stop loss above the candle here, and you target down here. And you can see price kept going down. So that is it, as simple as that. So follow for more. I'll keep on dropping something like this, and peace out.